Ali Ahmed, the Oromo star shining for Canada at the FIFA World Cup 2026. What if we told you that an Oromo young man, whose family roots trace back to Oromia, is now representing Canada on the biggest football stage in the world? At the 2026 FIFA World Cup, one name is drawing attention from football fans across the globe: Ali Ahmed. His story is about more than football. It is a story of identity, resilience, migration, faith, and determination. Today, we explore the remarkable journey of Ali Ahmed, from his Oromo roots to the FIFA World Cup. Early life and Oromo roots. Ali Ahmed was born on October 10, 2000, in Toronto, Canada. His parents immigrated from Oromia, Ethiopia. Growing up, Ali remained connected to his Oromo heritage while embracing life in Canada. He is reported to speak Afan Oromo as well as English. Like many children of immigrant families, Ali grew up balancing different identities: Canadian by birth, Oromo by heritage, African by ancestry, and Muslim by faith. These influences helped shape the person he would become. The dream begins. Ali's football journey was not easy. He played for local clubs in Toronto and developed his skills through community football. Success did not come overnight. There were setbacks. There were disappointments. There were moments when professional football seemed out of reach. At one point, Ali traveled abroad in search of opportunities. He attended trials with clubs in England. Many of those opportunities did not result in contracts, but he refused to quit. He kept working. He kept improving. He kept believing. While others might have walked away, Ali Ahmed kept moving forward. The Vancouver Whitecaps breakthrough. Everything changed when he joined the Vancouver Whitecaps development pathway. The club saw something special in him: his speed, his technical skill, his creativity, and above all, his determination. Ali progressed through the system and earned professional opportunities. Soon, he became one of the success stories of Canadian football development. By 2023, he had established himself as a first-team player in Major League Soccer. He also helped Vancouver win multiple Canadian championships. His performances attracted national attention. Canada's coaches were watching. Canada calls. In 2023, Ali Ahmed received his first opportunity with the Canadian national team. For any footballer, representing the national team is a dream. For Ali, it carried special meaning. He was representing the country that gave his family new opportunities. At the same time, he carried the pride of his Oromo and African heritage. He made his senior debut during the CONCACAF Gold Cup. His energy, confidence, and attacking creativity quickly impressed fans and coaches. More opportunities followed. Soon, he was competing against some of the world's best players. Playing against the world's best, Ali's rise continued. In 2024, he was selected for Canada's Copa America squad. The tournament brought him face-to-face with elite international competition, including matches involving Lionel Messi and Argentina. Only a few years earlier, he had been struggling to secure professional opportunities. Now, he was performing on some of football's biggest stages. His journey became proof that persistence can overcome setbacks. The move to England. Another major step came in 2026. Ali Ahmed completed a move from Vancouver Whitecaps to Norwich City in England. Playing in England had always been a dream. English football is followed by millions around the world and is known for its highly competitive environment. Norwich City recognized his potential. Ali adapted quickly. He began contributing with goals, assists, and strong performances. The move demonstrated his continued growth as a player. It also strengthened his place in Canada's World Cup plans. The FIFA World Cup 2026. Then came the moment every footballer dreams about: the FIFA World Cup, hosted by Canada, the United States, and Mexico. The 2026 tournament is the largest World Cup in history. Ali Ahmed earned his place in Canada's squad under coach Jesse Marsch. He entered the tournament as one of Canada's dynamic, attacking players and as a symbol of the country's multicultural identity. For Ali, this World Cup is especially meaningful. He is not only representing Canada, he is playing on home soil in front of family, friends, and supporters who watched his journey from local football fields to the world's biggest stadiums. Why Ali Ahmed matters to Oromos. For many Oromo people around the world, Ali Ahmed's success carries a deeper meaning. The Oromo are one of Africa's largest nations, with millions living across the globe, yet representation at the highest levels of international sport remains limited. Ali's presence on the World Cup stage offers inspiration to young Oromo children everywhere, in Oromia in Ethiopia, in Canada, across Africa, and throughout the global diaspora. His story sends a powerful message. Your background does not limit your future. Your identity can be a source of strength, and your dreams are worth pursuing. Many Oromo community members have expressed pride in seeing someone with Oromo roots competing at the highest level of world football. Faith, discipline, and character. Another important part of Ali Ahmed's story is his faith. As a practicing Muslim, he has spoken about the importance of Ramadan and spirituality in his life. He demonstrates that elite athletic performance and religious commitment can go hand in hand. For Ali, discipline is not only about football, it is about character. It is about humility. It is about staying grounded despite success. These values have helped shape his remarkable journey from the son of Oromo immigrants in Toronto to a Canadian international to a FIFA World Cup player. Ali Ahmed's story continues to inspire people around the world. Understanding the Oromo people. To understand why many Oromos around the world take pride in Ali Ahmed's success, it is important to understand the history and culture of the Oromo people. The Oromo are the largest ethnic group in Ethiopia. They are also one of the largest indigenous nations in Africa. They possess a rich cultural heritage. Their language is Afan Oromo, and they have a long tradition of self-governance. One of the most remarkable contributions of the Oromo people to human civilization is the Gadaa System. The Gadaa System is an indigenous democratic governance system developed centuries ago by the Oromo. It organizes political, social, economic, military, and cultural life through age-based leadership structures. Leadership changes take place at regular intervals. Unlike hereditary monarchies, power is not passed down through a royal family. Instead, authority is transferred according to established democratic principles. This system promotes accountability. It prevents permanent rule by a single individual or family. In 2016, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, recognized the historical and cultural significance of the Gadaa system. It was inscribed on UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Even today, aspects of the Gadaa system continue to function among Oromo communities. In parts of central Oromia, especially among Tulama Oromo communities, traditional Gadaa ceremonies and leadership transitions are still practiced. Today, these institutions mainly serve cultural and symbolic roles. They no longer exercise formal state power, yet they remain a living example of an indigenous African democratic tradition that has survived into the 21st century. For many Oromos, Gadaa represents a powerful connection to history, identity, and community values. Oromos on the world stage. The Oromo people have also produced some of the world's greatest athletes. For decades, Oromo runners have excelled in middle distance and long distance competition. They have won Olympic medals, world championship titles, and global recognition that athletes of Oromo origin have helped make Ethiopia one of the most successful distance running nations in history. Names such as Abebe Bikila, Haile Gebrselassie, Kenenisa, Bekele Tirunesh Dibaba Derartu Tulu, and many others. These athletes have become legends in world athletics. Among the most famous contemporary examples is Sifan Hassan, born in Oromia before later settling in the Netherlands. Sifan Hassan became one of the most successful distance runners in modern history. She has won Olympic gold medals, world championship titles, and international acclaim. In interviews, Hassan has spoken openly about her Oromo identity and her connection to Oromia. Her words have resonated with many Oromos around the world. Many see her achievements as part of a broader story of Oromo contributions to global sport, identity, representation, and recognition. For many Oromo intellectuals, activists, and community leaders, the success of figures such as Ali Ahmed and Sifan Hassan carries significance beyond sports. Many argue that despite the Oromo people's large population, language, culture, and historical importance, Oromo identity has often received insufficient recognition within Ethiopia's political and historical narratives. Questions of language rights, cultural recognition, political representation, historical memory, and self-determination. These issues have remained central topics in Oromo political discourse for generations. As a result, when individuals of Oromo origin achieve success on the global stage, many Oromos view these accomplishments as more than personal victories. They see them as opportunities to increase international awareness of Oromo history, culture, and identity. In this context, Ali Ahmed's appearance at the FIFA World Cup represents more than football. For many supporters, it is another chapter in the growing visibility of Oromo achievements around the world. From the democratic traditions of the Gadaa System to Olympic champions on the track to football's biggest stage at the FIFA World Cup, the Oromo story continues to be written by people who proudly carry their heritage while contributing to the countries they represent. Conclusion: from Oromo roots in Oromiyaa to the streets of Toronto to Vancouver to England and now to the FIFA World Cup, Ali Ahmed's journey is a story of perseverance, courage, and belief. His story belongs to Canada, it belongs to the Oromo people, and it belongs to everyone who has ever pursued a dream despite obstacles. As the 2026 FIFA World Cup continues, millions will watch Canada compete. Among the players wearing the maple leaf, one name stands out: Ali Ahmed, a proud Canadian, a proud Oromo, and a footballer whose journey is only beginning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Ali Ahmed can help Canada make history at the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Let us know below.